The All Share Index is slightly higher in midday trade. Nnenna Umeh, a stockbroker at FSDH Securities, joins me now to review the equity space. Nnenna, it's great to have you on the show with us today. A good place to start will be for you to give us an update on trading today. How's the market doing?
I think at the moment the market is up, albeit marginal. There is some kind of mixed reactions to stock, considering all the results that have been released so far. But generally, there's been a cautious approach to investing for today as at this time of this interview. Now,
of course, you mentioned some earnings that have come out. We have Stanbic, as I mentioned in the intro there. We have revenue up 21%, PAT up 105%. How is the market reacting to that? The company has also, of course, declared a dividend as well.
I think there's a reaction to Stanbic, but the reaction is just average reaction, more or less. The stock has gained anyway, but the reaction is not as strong as what we saw when we saw the reaction to Sterling Bank.
Why is that, though? Do you think that we're going to see more gains in this stock as we go to the end of trading today?
I think the stock might gain, but it may not do the whole 10% yardstick.
I see now. Of course, we saw Fidelity numbers, of course, out as well this week. We have revenue up 6.53%, but PAT went down 57%, even though the company as well has proposed a dividend of 14 kobo per share. That's a yield of 7.2%, which is pretty good. Still, that stock is down 7 kobo so far. Are you surprised by that?
I'm not surprised at that. Investors love returns, and given that the PBT PAT was down by over 50%, so there's a strong negative reaction to that at the moment. Possibly when the stock has shed up more price, lost more, investors, the rally there will start all over, which is what is trying to happen at the moment, but it's still trading below 2 naira as we speak.
Still in the banking sector, also pretty recent, we have Diamond and FCMB numbers. Those stocks are both down so far today. Is that as a result of profit taking?
Yes, I think it should be profit-taking because these days investors, the speculative tendencies have heightened for some time now. After 2 to 3 day gains, investors take their profits and look for somewhere else to invest their funds in.
Let's talk oil and gas stocks, because yesterday we saw Total in the list of top gainers. They're up 4.9%. We know, of course, that they had PAT up 14.2%, and they also had a dividend of 9 naira. And last I checked, that stock was up 8 naira 50 today.
Yes, I think the reaction to Total as well has been more than average. It gained yesterday and it gained today as well, and I think it will maintain that tempo possibly to the end of trading today. Another
surprising one for me, we have MRS, which gained 263.35% profit growth. Still, that stock is trading flat. It has been trading flat all year round. What's going on with MRS?
I think investors are not impressed. MRS has been on offer.
Even with 263% growth in profit?
The stock is trading flat. It's been on offer for several weeks now, going on to almost 3 months at the moment, so there is no reaction to the stock whatsoever.
Owando is another one. Of course, we know that they have extended the acquisition date for COP, and that stock is trading flat. But what's the long-term outlook on Owando?
I think it will pick up by the time the company concludes the acquisition of the ConocoPhillips transaction. Yes, when that is done, I think the stock will pick up, but it's been trading speculatively for some time now. 1 day up, 2 days down, and that. I think it will pick up in the near future, yes.
What about cement stocks? We have Ashaka Cement. They declared a dividend of 42 kobo per share. That's a 2.6% yield. So not that great, but at least there's a dividend. How are investors playing that stock right now?
The stock is trading flat at the moment. The optimism there cannot be seen at the moment, so investors are not impressed.